What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC and GME, and then we're going to have a look at the broader market, and after that we're going to check the options flow for all three of them. So when we have a look at AMC, today AMC was down for 2.50% for the day. Now as we know, today we were having a green day in the broader market. Everything was green except only one stock, that was AMC. Definitely, AMC is in the eyes of hedge fund. It's in the eyes of every trader around the world. People are definitely looking into it. So the hedge funds need to make sure that AMC stays in control, and that's what they are doing successfully so far. What is happening right now with the stock? It's very evident that this is being extremely manipulated and it's going down without having any negative news. Even after having good reports on the earning, still the stock is going down. What it means is this is going to keep happening no matter what, until unless there is some sort of a solution out there, dividend is being paid for the stock, or some sort of a NFT is being given for the stocks. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC. So today, as we can see, people are still doing their regular stuff. People are just collecting premium on the AMC stock just because of the high implied volatility on it. Most of the buyers were just selling puts today just in order to collect premium. $25 was the most liked one. A lot of people were buying these puts. But what does that mean is basically these traders are betting that this stock is gonna stay above $25. And when we look at the expiration date for this is 17th of June 2022. So that means they are expecting this stock to go up from here onwards. This bet could be very risky when you are selling $25 put and the stock price is almost $26 now. They can have huge losses if the stock keeps going down. Now let's have a look at the GME. So the GameStop was almost up for 3% for the day. And the best thing about GameStop is it's definitely holding that solid ground at the same price. It's not getting fluctuated the way AMC is getting. Now the average volume on GME is 2.32 million, but today it was around 1.40 million. You can see the volume in GME as well as AMC is almost the half of what the average volume is there. But when we compare both the stock, the AMC is definitely going down as compared to GME. So what does that mean is definitely AMC has gone to the next level of manipulation, because definitely hedge funds are stressing right now because people from all around the world are buying this stock, and this thing is creating a very scary scenarios for the hedge funds. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GME. So on the GME as well, people are just doing their regular stuff. They are selling puts, selling calls. There is nothing majorly coming out of the options flow in GME. People are just trying to collect some premium. Now let's have a look at the SPY. The SPY was up today 4.58%. Now the SPY is still there in the confused state, but for the first day of trading for the new year, the SPY was in the green, which is a very good sign. There is a lot of things happening all around the world which can create a significant pullback in the SPY. Evergrande stock trading was suspended in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange just because they are not able to pay back their loan payment. As we know, the C-19 cases are going up all around the world. People are going back into the lockdowns. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we just have to wait and see. But what I can say is right now, the SPY is just completely ignoring the facts around it. This is not the reality the SPY is living in. There will be some reality check coming into it, which will create a significant pullback in SPY. Now let's have a look at the options flow for the SPY. So in the options flow, it's just the same that the investors are selling calls just in order to collect some premium from it. There is no clear indication that the stock is going to go up or down from here onwards. Now let's have a look at a stock, ticker symbol GNPX. Now this stock was almost up 167.18% for the day. That is huge. So here we have a look at the average volume for this stock. Right now it has changed, but the average volume till this morning on this stock was around 463,000. And now the average volume has changed significantly because today's volume was around 236.62 million. That's a lot of buying pressure that's coming into this stock. Just on the news that Genprex stock more than doubled on very heavy volume after FTD granted for cancer treatment. That was it, and this stock just went to the moon. Now, I want to show you something very interesting about this stock. Now, what was the main reason which sent this stock to the moon? It was not just that news regarding the cancer treatment. There was one more specific thing about this stock was that there were no stock available to short. So that was something the retail trader picked up and they started buying heavy into it because these hedge funds cannot short the stock significantly the way they can do if there were a lot of stocks available to short. So that's what created this kind of a squeeze into this stock. Now, stock market is all about learning. There is no such thing out there that you can just learn by listening from someone on YouTube. This is more experience based knowledge, and you have to learn all these small things around, like why this thing is happening in a certain stock. There could be many reasons, but you need to find the basic reasons behind the stocks going up to the moon. For this stock, it was basically that there were no stocks available to short. That's what the retail picked up and they started buying this stock. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.